Faraj, I know you are doing a great job pronouncing all of those words. Literally is tough. So let's break it down together. First thing, this word has 4 syllables. The first syllable is our stressed syllable. Literally. Literally. Now for the sounds. So this word starts with an L, and when we make this L, our tongue is maybe right behind our teeth, or mine's actually between my teeth a little bit. L, 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 l. And the vowel sound right after the L, I, is the same vowel sound as in the word it. So l, l, l. And it goes into a D. It sounds like a D sound. So that T sounds like a D. It's actually called a flap because our tongue hits the roof of our mouth very quickly. Just kind of da-da, da-da, lid, lid, litter, litter, litter. It just taps the roof of our mouth. And we go into the schwa R sound, litter, 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 litter. And from there, we have another schwa sound that is very short, littera, 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 littera. And we end with the li. And that E sound is the same vowel sound in words like see or she. So literally, literally. Okay, I hope that this helps with your pronunciation of the word literally. But remember, you do not have to sound like me to be a good speaker.